11B. Ito yung may kasama ng dalawang magazine out of the box. Metal slide, metal yung lower frame nya. May under rail na rin siya for accessory attachment. 45 ACP. And then threaded yung outer barrel nya. Ito yung magazine nya, single stock. So makapal yung base plate nila. Okay, so test natin. Check natin kung ilang FPS. For the price nito is 6.5. So again, dalawang magazine na kasama. 345. For details, PM lang kayo sa page natin, Mavs Tactical.